Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create custom modification list. It's very easy, just in few steps you can learn it. Before going to start, please subscribe my channel. So here is the 3ds Max. Make anything. Then go to the modification. To add any modifier you go to the list. If you want shortcuts, click on the configure modifier set. Then click on show button. You can see the button. Now click configure modifier set. You can change the button by drag, which you commonly use. And you can increase the button as you need. Then OK. Hope you will like this tutorial. Please subscribe my channel for more informative videos. And leave the comment for any question. Thanks for watching.